Righty ho then. Go, another little scratch that itches, that scratch. Cheapy build. This is a Lego set Arctic Explorer Snowmobile. Very posh title. 60376 is the number. Age 5 plus, 70 pieces. So this should be a quickie. Still available in the States, $10.99. So if you want to get it, it's cheapy, and this will be good in my, I'm using this in my Christmas village, winter village, if I ever get it finished. I keep building stuff instead of finishing it. Right, so build and fun, play fun for ages 5 plus. I'm 5 plus. Kids get to enjoy a fun building experience before heading north aboard the cool Snowmobile. It's actually quite cool. You've got a seal, a baby seal pup. You've got a character. You've got a snowmobile. You've got a camera. You've got like an ice setting. So for the money, looks pretty good. So let's have a look. See, open up the box. Let's go. Oh. This box I don't really care about. It's still complete. That's good enough. Right, box on the floor. 2 baggies, no numbers. 2 pieces extra outside the bag, and 1 manual. Focus. There we go. Cool. So put the manual away and open up the bags. 1 bag, 2 bags, and that is that. I'm going to get on and build it, and I'll show you when I finish. I'm not going to build the minifigure because it's not going to take long anyway. So I'll see you in a bit. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, tell your friends, spread the word. I'm here doing more Christmas builds.
A few moments later.
Well, that was easy and quick. Very, very quick. Awesome little set. Great playability for the kiddies and for me. So, first of all, we have a little helmet for our lady. She's also got a really cool, like, blinking face. Nice printed legs and torso. Awesome little backpack. And you have got a second face as well. Turn it round. There you go. And that's the second face. So she's kind of cool, and then she can put her helmet on like that. Whoopa, when she's on her bike, her snowmobile. And she stands on the snowmobile, rides it, and then here's her camera, which is really cool. I like the little lens on the side, nice little touch. So that's the camera. There's a hairpiece. We could put the hairpiece in there, maybe, I don't know. Then we've got the baby seal pup, and the mum on a little ice platform, which is really cool. So there's the little seal pup. Really nice little setup there. For some reason they left this, so I suppose I put the little ice bit on there just to fill it in, but you could put the pup on there. You could put the camera up here, or I don't know, whatever you wanted to do really. And then you got a little green fish as well, which you put there. That is it, but it's kind of cool that you got like the on here. I'll just show you, like the see-through ice block. You can see it. That was a nice little touch as well. I love the baby seal, and obviously the mum. That's really awesome. But nice little play set for kids. I mean, this is pretty cool. The skis and the back go quite nicely. The camera is awesome. You can stick that then on the back like that, so it could be recording as she's going along. I don't know, but I'll just stick that device down there, and there you go. That's it, job done. It's a good one. Like it. For the price, good. Playability is awesome. And I've been seeing like animals everywhere I go online, and I've been buying them. I've got a butterfly, 2 monkeys, what else? A rabbit, a turtle. These are all really cool in the bag there. I see them, I just buy them randomly. A couple of minifigs. I've got the different Harry Potter, which I didn't have, and this one, which is from Lego Fortnite. So he's kind of cool. So yeah, and I've got some others that I found and ordered. So yeah, okay, that set was easy to make, very quick video, but it is a scratch that itch, it's that scratch video. So, oh, maybe our hair can go there. Anyway, awesome. Let me know what you think. Chuck us a like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, spread the word. Let's get more subscribers, and I've got so many more sets to build, you will not believe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.